My skills in the airways, my sound's loud and clear. I'm radio's the tool that brings me cheer. Dialing in the freeways, I'm in the zone. Sending out my transmissions, reaching folks I've never known. Morse code, voice, and data, it's all the same. My signal travels wide, no.
Okay, how you guys doing? This is a new call sign for me, and possibly a new island. If you're chasing IOTAs, this is a perfect DX-pedition, and it's TX9A, Tango X-Ray 9 Alpha, and they're transmitting from this little island right here, to Tubuai Island, and that's what I'm working tonight. Here we go. Okay, over here there's a rare one, a new one for me. There's a new one, Tango X-Ray 9 Alpha, Austral Islands. I think that's Oceania, somewhere in Australia, that area, South Pacific maybe. Well, he's one up. Let's see if I get him. Oh shit, pushing too much. I'm pushing mucho power into the amplifier. Okay. And I have to put on FM. Put this thing on manual. Automatic. Okay. Let me see what happens now. I'm going to put about 20 watts into the amp. Let's see if it hears me. Wow, okay. Damn. It's good to have an amplifier. Holy shit.